Get set. Go. The word can. More times than you did before. Ready, set, go. If you make a mistake, cross it off. Keep going. Good for you. C-A-N. Good job. Ethan, even quicker, honey. Don't worry about your handwriting. Good for you, Miss Helena. She's really going quick. Good job, Joshua. Don't stop for erasing. Just keep going. Just keep going. Stop. Tap your marker or finish the word that you started.
Oh my gosh.
Count and see how many you have this time. That's a good way to count, Preston. Good for you. It's a good idea to underline. Write your number on your board. Write the new number. And then raise your hand if you beat your number. If you did better this time than before, good for you. Pat yourself on the back.
But guess what? My 7, I beat my number by